Good.
Good afternoon, happy Valentine's Day. Happy
Valentine's Day, ma'am.
Mercy Fernandez.
Ganado na to.
Pinoo. Okay, good afternoon. Di ba nga po yun?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Wala. Golden on.
Who's there? Oh, delivery lang ha. Para po kay Michael. Ay, joke lang.
Ay ba? Go jogging.
Ay, sasabihin.
Akala ko pala happy. Ano raw?
Lang Michael. Grading, second grading, and now third grading. By the way, those who attended the JS and Paid, you know who you are. Approachment, give your payment to the CRC asking for your payment. Clear? I have the list.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's go back to what I was saying. Oh my God, I have big problems in your grade.
Okay.
Blank grades are still blank.
Okay.
What happened to your chemistry?
Ay, 80 ako. Pero may
Naipasa na. Bakit naman kasi you're still waiting for so many weeks before you submit your grade and your project? Ano ba? Alam niyo naman, third year, no probation. It's only in or out. So, ngayon, third grading na, ha? What I'm doing is I'm adding all your grades. And what are the last points that you still need? You need 3 points. So by fourth grading, kailangan 88. Kaya ba nito? When we do the deliberation, for example, si Okamoto. Your grade is chemistry. 81, 82, 83. Oh, 81, first grading you did 4. And then second grading you did 3, 7. And then you need how many more? Third grading. You did 9. 85 plus 9.
94.
94. And your grade 81, 82, 83, then 94? Ano ba yun?
Himala.
Sinata?
Totoo himala. Hindi ganun grade.
That was by blank, and then there is the grade, blank, and then 80, then 82. Ano yun?